Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix "we ran into a problem" Microsoft Teams error in Windows. There have been reports from Windows users getting "we ran into a problem" error on Microsoft Teams. It can be a frustrating experience, but not to worry, you are not alone. In this video, we will show you ways to solve "we ran into a problem" Microsoft Teams error on your Windows PC to continue a smooth collaboration in no time without interruptions. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution is to try using the web version. The purpose of using the web version of Microsoft Teams to fix the "we ran into a problem" error in Windows is to troubleshoot and determine if the issue lies with the desktop application. By accessing Teams through the web version, you can isolate whether the problem is related to the desktop client or if it's a broader issue with your Microsoft account, network settings, or computer configuration. The next solution is to run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Running Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter helps identify and resolve Microsoft apps related issues. The troubleshooter will scan your computer for issues and apply appropriate fixes if any issues are found. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings windows, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot at the left pane. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and click Windows Store Apps. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter will now search for problems. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the Troubleshooter window. Now, check if "we ran into a problem" Microsoft Teams error in Windows is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The third solution is to update Microsoft Teams app. An outdated app can also cause conflicts and issues. Make sure apps are up to date to resolve issues and bugs that may be the cause for the error to occur. To do this, open Microsoft Teams. Then at the app, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Now select Check for updates from the drop-down menu. Wait for update process to finish. Next, restart computer. Once computer reboots, check if "we ran into a problem" Microsoft Teams error in Windows is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The fourth solution is to clear cache files. Clearing the cache eliminates any corrupt or outdated data that may be the culprit for causing the error. Clearing the cache can help fix issues related to the app's performance. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run box. Then type app data and press Enter or click OK. Now click Local folder and then click Microsoft folder. Now click Teams folder. Delete all the files on Team folder excluding the application type file. Check if "we ran into a problem" Microsoft Teams error in Windows is fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.